I was just thinking that, you know, when you have kids, everything's about your kids. Like, you do everything for them. You're taking them to their doctor's appointments, their dentist appointments, and you truly forget about you when you are a mom or a caregiver. You truly forget about you. I was taking care of my sister, Oni, which passed, and it's just so much like I was doing, and I kept letting me go. And so after she was gone and then the kids are grown, it's like, let me start taking care of me. And that's why I travel a lot, because it's like, ooh, I need to get away. I need to think. I need to breathe. I need to just be free. But now I'm taking care of me. My cup was half empty, and I'm steady pouring into others. I want my cup to be full, and then when there's an overflow, I can help others. Hey, girl, hey. Okay, so I want to say welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you are true. My name is Opal May, and this is what we're doing today. Hey girl, hey, and guys too. Good morning, Grand Rising. It is a brand new day. Let's be thankful, grateful that we woke up on the other side. If you're complaining right now, stop. You're going through something, remember it's just a storm, and this too shall pass. Sunny days are ahead, okay? You got this, sis. You got this, bro. All right, so we are off to the dentist this morning. Today is April the 20th. It's 4:20, so off to the dentist, y'all. I'm scared to death. Okay, I have my volume, so we're going to take that. The dentist prescribed it, so I'm not, you know, so nervous. And then we also, oh, snappy. We also have a Tylenol. All right, so we're going to take that, but let's make some coffee. Let's have a little bit of coffee before we go. I need to have a banana, but I don't ran it. This isn't too far. It's 9:40, so I got like 20 minutes. So it's like 10 minutes away, if that. Y'all been seeing my vlogs. I like that maple pecan latte. Baby, it is so good. Maple pecan latte. I was getting the caramel macchiato one, but I tasted this maple pecan, and I like maple, and I also like pecan, so I think I like that one better. We're gonna put us some Saigon cinnamon. Go to the spice store, baby, and get that. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's soft a little bit. It's nice. This is the milk we have. We're gonna do the cinnamon caramel silk oat milk cold foam. And then we're gonna rinse that off, okay? Ooh, y'all, I'm so nervous. I am nervous. This is crazy. Like, every time I have to go to the dentist, I am like nervous, like anxiety on 20, for real. Whew, I got on Bob. I'm taking God. I'm taking all the gods with me. Whatever you believe in, okay? Whatever people believe in, I'm combining everything, okay? Bob's going. You know, we need all the good spirits in there. I got my sister Oni with me. She was not scared of the dentist. So maybe some of that will rub off this morning. Baby, I am nervous. I am scared. Which is a shame, but I mean, it is what it is. I don't like needles. And I'm not even, they're just gonna do a teeth clean, but they be using them sharp objects, and my anxiety be on 20, so it doesn't help. All right. Now I'm gonna drink a 16-ounce bottle of water, which is the bottle of water's downstairs in the garage. So I'll drink that. I probably wonder, how do you get your hair in this cap? Baby, I put on a stocking cap and tighten it down and put this hat on. And it's nice because it feels like, ooh, I don't have my hair down. It feels like I can be free. Although I'm free because I'm locked, but oh, my hair ain't going everywhere. Anyway, I got this Baccarat Dupe Better Roll, which was from TJ Maxx, $19.99. Yep, and what did I say? Better Roll. So I just got this. I sampled it, but today we're gonna sample. I don't want to spray too much because sometimes some of this little cheaper stuff you can't spray too much. Some of it you can, some of it you can't. But I don't want to be in there, you know, too strong on these people. So we're gonna wear this today. See how long it lasts. Remember, when you spray your perfume on, did you know you're not supposed to like rub it like that? It disturbs the molecules, is what I was told years ago. And the lady re-mentioned it the other day, but I don't do that. All right, so it is 9:46, baby. Let's get out of here, cause I'll see y'all later. Okay guys, we're done. That was about an hour. It was not as bad as I thought. Remember, I took that Tylenol and that Valium. And you're not supposed to drive with it. But that last time they said that and I drove with it and I was totally fine. I mean, I had to wait like an hour or whatever it was, but I was completely fine after the procedure. So today I felt that I could do it. My teeth, she said there was a little bit bacteria, you know, she could see. She asked, like, what are you doing? I told her I use like the TheraBreath and da-da-da. She said, do you use a electrical toothbrush or do you use a regular? I said, I use a regular, although I do have a electric toothbrush. She said, well, just start using your regular one in the morning and the electric one at night, and then flossing. And I floss all the time. Like I am a serious flosser. However, since your gums, my gums start to recede just a tad bit, that she wants me to kind of go deeper and then glide in there, you know, to get any bacteria that's in there. So that was good. You know, I was just thinking anyway. So she said, when I first got there, they was like, okay, it's gonna be $96. And I said, $96 for what? They told me it was free with my insurance. And she goes, she goes, well, you have to pay $38 for the antibacterial mouthwash that you have to use for 2 weeks. And I said, is there any way that can be sent to the pharmacy? And then that way I can pay less? She was like, oh yeah, you can do that. So I said, what's the other fee? I said, because they said it was free. So she looked, she was like, oh, that's for like, I forgot what she said it was for. She said, but we can go ahead and take that off and it's going to be free. So you know what, y'all, if you don't ask, then they're just going to just keep charging you. And I'm used to just being, okay, this is what the price is, and I pay it. But since I recently had that huge back surgery and I'm just getting nickel and dimed, I'm starting to be like, wait a minute. You know, they got so much help for people that don't work, don't do nothing, but us middle class people, there's no help. And she was like, you know what, I agree. She said, I feel the same way. So we were kind of feeling, you know, our energies were the same in that. But anyway, it was $0. But she was just, it was the way she was presenting it, like this is what it is. So ask is so important. All right, and then so now I'm gonna go back every 3 months to get my teeth clean, just to make sure that you know, the bacteria is being taken care of and I'm doing what I need to. And then if I'm not, or I'm not doing what I need to, then they are able to get in there and get a little deeper. And yeah, I was just thinking that, you know, when you have kids, everything's about your kids. Like, you do everything for them. You're taking them to their doctor's appointments, their dentist appointments, and you truly forget about you when you are a mom or a caregiver. You truly forget about you. I was taking care of my sister, Oni, which passed, and it's just so much like I was doing, and I kept letting me go. And so after she was gone and then the kids are grown, it's like, let me start taking care of me. And that's why I travel a lot, because it's like, ooh, I need to get away. I need to think. I need to breathe. I need to just be free. But now I'm taking care of me. My cup was half empty, and I'm steady pouring into others. I want my cup to be full, and then when there's an overflow, I can help others. Yes. So with that said, teeth cleaning every 3 months now. Because I think she said it covers up to 3 a year. So I'll do 3, and then the one that I have to pay for, that's fine. If I need it, they said after that. Yeah, but anyway, other than that, since I was so worked up, my anxiety was high, we're gonna go get us a massage. I had this coupon in the car, so let's go get a massage and just relax ourselves for sure. I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all, they want you to take your hair off. They just want to just, no clothes. Take everything off your hair and just embrace. So zen. I need this. It's been a minute. I'll see y'all when I'm done. Okay, guys, so we are done in there. We are done. I got 2 of these out of there, so we're gonna drink those. You know, once you get a massage, so massages do, it helps clear out impurities and detoxifies the body. So, you know, you're able to kind of rid some things that shouldn't be in there. So you do have to drink a lot of water after massage, which is, I drink a lot of water anyway. But what do you prefer? Do you prefer a male or do you prefer a female? As far as myself, I prefer a female. It's just me. So she was like, you want male, female? And I was like, I'll take a female. She was like, oh, we don't have female until like a certain time. So I'm like, okay. And it was like 30 to 45 minutes. I'm like, gosh, I don't want to wait, because if I leave, I'm not going to come back. So I was like, I'll take the male. But when I took him, we got back there. I'm like, do you know English? Yeah. Do you know English? Yeah. And then you get in there, honey. He did not know English. So I'm like, so then I finished up, which it felt amazing. It feels so good. Y'all could tell that, man, I was just like in there and like, whoo, it feels so good. My body needed it. It's been a minute. I tried to make it a normal thing, but life be lifing, and it just don't happen sometimes, especially, you know, going through the surgery and all that other kind of stuff. So it took a while. And so, yeah, so I went to the front to pay, and she's, I gave her my card, and she said, you want to leave tip on card or you want to leave tip to him? And I said, excuse me. She said it again. I said, no, I don't want to leave a tip on my card. But I had cash in my purse, so I gave him cash. But it's like, they going to make sure you tip. And that should be optional, because y'all charge enough. But that's okay. They got to make their hustle. So I went to the restroom, and I passed up the break room. Y'all, it was like 25 of them in a break room. I'm like, dang, this is crazy. Like, they all just wait. I guess people just line up. You know what I mean? Whoever's next. But that's the end of that. We're going to head over to the grocery store. I need to get some vegetables, some milk, and things of that nature. And I'll see y'all at the house. I am so relaxed. I really am. I took that Valium, and I don't have no pain right now, and my body feels good right now, and it's been a minute since I could say that. I'm feeling like I'm floating right now. I need this moment to just stay here. Anyway, I'll see y'all later. Okay, guys, so we are now back home. We got groceries over here. Y'all can see, we got some total. We got some, it's a whole grain cereal, baby. Good for you, fibrous. So I got more stuff. I just didn't put everything up there. But my main thing is I got some vegetables. I've been eating crazy this week, and y'all seen that in the vlog. Just been going out, and you know, it's not normally me. It's just that I think I'm just kind of filling a void. My daughter and my grandson moved away, so stressing, I guess. It's more of a stress eating, and then I tend not to eat as healthy as I should for the most part. Remember, 70% is healthy, 30% is bad, y'all. But anyway, that was at 30% right there. Anyway, so we have our vegetables. So I don't know if I'm gonna make a salad or make some kind of like chickpea something. I don't know. And then, yeah, we got cheese. So we just got stuff. Yeah, y'all can see this morning Hold on, y'all. Okay, I feel way too close, like way too close. I had to adjust. Y'all can see we still got the coffee from this morning. I drank a little bit, then I left. Still working with that scent, still smells good, we'll see. And I said I was gonna have a banana, because I didn't have any, but I did purchase some. So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna try to figure out what I can actually cook. I still have smothered chicken that I made the other day. Smothered chicken gravy and rice. I'm not feeling that though. I need something a little more healthier. Anyway, that's pretty much it for now. I'll catch y'all in the next clip. If I decide to make food, I'm sure I will. Not sure if I'll record it. Probably just do like a quick video just to show you guys how things turned out. All right. So far, guys, I'm just throwing some stuff in a pot. I don't want stuff to go bad. Getting ready to go on a vacation like in 8 days. 7 days. So, yeah. Just cleaned out the refrigerator, so I'm gonna add some more vegetables to this. I already have some kale, I have spinach, but I bought some today, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. I'm gonna put some chickpeas in here. We're gonna see, but it looks good. I love all the colors. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I made me a bowl, have some basmati rice, I made me a salad, and then I also made some for my neighbor. We always share with each other, but anyway, so the salad, the vegetable chickpea curry, and yeah, let's have a bite. We have this kale salad, just some lemon with some other veggies, no dressing. The lemon really helps, takes away the bitter. And yeah, so we got our kale salad, and we have our chickpea vegetable curry with a little bit of basmati rice. Still hot. Good. Anyway, we are going to close this video out. That's it. What time is it? It's like 16:20, so it's 4:20. Oh, it's crazy. It's 4:20 and today is 4:20. So anyway, we're gonna close it out. We're gonna close it out. I'll see y'all on another day. Bye, guys.